manual weaving machine. The first thing is the thread will go through here, come down like this. It will go through this place, to go through here. From there it will go through here. You can start using your picker, go straight down, go down. From here, this is the tension spring like this. Just go beside it, make it enter here, and it will take this hole too. So pick it up, make it go through here. Next up, it goes through this section. Now here, make the thread go like this. Make it go straight, and as you see it like this, you have to pick it from inside here and make it come here. You can draw it back like this one. Draw it backward, pick it like here. Let me do it again because of those that may not grab it. Make it go inside this place straight, and you pick it from inside like this. It will go inside this place like this. Don't forget that. So draw this one, and make it go to the back like this. Can you see now? Can you see the tension? So finally draw it and make it go here. That's the final process. Make it go through this place, this hole here. So you pick it from behind, and we are done. So through, so make it go through here. You can draw this very well like this. Pick it up here and make it go under this place. So we have the first one. Pause it. So this is the thread. As you can see, this one like let's come to the second needle, or the second thread, beg your pardon. So you cover this place up like this, and you also need to cover this. So you tighten this bolt like this to avoid main injury. So this one can open. So you can also do this one for yourself. Next up, the needle thread goes from here. It will come here, go down. It will go to this hole. You pick it up from behind, make it go inside here, pick it up. This is the tension as well. Make it go through the tension, make it go through here, this spot, make it go through this spot. You can use your hands. Now we have this final one. Whenever you are doing your practice, make sure that the needle can flow freely like this. If it's not flowing freely, there will always be breakage. So make it free. Next up, it will go through here, this this portion. Make it go through here. Pick it up and make it go through this place, this tension. Make it go through the back. Make sure it goes through the back here. And finally, raise your needle up and you do this place like this. So make it go. We have done the needle, so make it go under this place. So raise it up, make it go under this one. We have done that of the needle, so we are left with the looper. Then service 5k, 10k, service in none. They will remove this one, and it will take time for them to tighten it back. So we are now after servicing, we are not ready. So make it go through here. It will come out here. The big one. And now at the third one, the looper thread. So it will go down. Take this spot. To take this spot like this, and you have to be logical here because it will take through this place. Pause it. So we have brought it out here, and the needle, oh sorry, the thread, beg your pardon, it will pass through this place, this hole here. But before that, you come here, press this place like this to open this one. So if you open it here, you will make the thread go through this hole. So you use your hand to pick it up outside here, from here like this. Next up, your thread will go through here. Don't forget that we have 3 tension boards for each thread. Make it like this. Like I said the other time, this is the tension for the looper thread, and this is the adjuster for this one. This is the adjuster for the first thread, and this for the needle thread. If you want to make it loose or tighten, that is the settings. 1, 2, 3. So let's continue from where we stopped. So stop, you make the needle go through here. Sorry, not needle, thread. Make it go through this portion like this, and you meet it here. Now when you come here, adjust your down looper very well so that you can see. Next up, you pick the needle from here, make it go through this place like this hole here. So once you pick it up like this, pick it up from here. As you see, I told you that you must make sure that the needle can move freely. It's moving now freely. The final place is it will go through this inside hole here. Inside hole here, that is, draw your this thing very well and make it pass through this place. So the final phase is you come inside here, make sure that the thread goes through this hole here. Like this hole, the final hole is inside this place. Make sure it goes through it, and you use your picker to pick it from here, and that is the final looper threading. So you just pick it from outside, like this thread now go up, just pick it from inside here, pick it from inside here, make everything goes under it, so it will come outside. Like so we have 3 threads like this. So cover this one up and cover this one. So let's see the work.